Great location near the lake. Nicely updated 2-halves bed home that is move-in ready. Recently updated, new carpet trough out, fresh paint, new quality roof replaced in 2021, 1-year HVAC, 1-year water heater. Septic recently serviced. Large flat lot with fenced backyard. Park multiple cars on flat driveway. No HOA or rent restrictions. Excellent schools, close to GA 400 and convenient to downtown Cumming and shopping. Great starter home, stepless retirement home or investment property.